दोस्तों, जब से हिंदी फिल्में शुरू हुई हैं, यानी आज़ादी के कुछ साल पहले से, उस वक्त ये पेशा, ये प्रोफेशन बहुत नेक नहीं समझा जाता था और अच्छे घरों की लड़कियां तो इससे बहुत दूर भागती थीं। लेकिन उसी वक्त एक खूबसूरत लड़की, जो न सिर्फ निहायत खूबसूरत थी बल्कि एक संपन्न परिवार से ताल्लुक़ भी रखती थी, फिल्मों में आई। उनकी पहली फिल्म का नाम वैसे तो निगाहे नफरत था, लेकिन वो आज भी निगाहे मोहब्बत बनकर हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस द ग्लैमर क्वीन ऑफ आवर टाइम्स, शोभना सामर्थ। शोभना जी, आपका स्वागत है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
मैं सबसे पहले आपसे बहुत पुरानी बात करने जा रहा हूँ। आपकी पहली फिल्म निगाहे
नफरत
1935 में रिलीज हुई
जी।
ये वो दौर था जिस वक्त फिल्मों में आना अच्छे परिवार के लोग बुरा महसूस करते थे, पाप महसूस करते थे, और आप तो एक बहुत समृद्ध परिवार से ताल्लुक़ रखती थी, तो आप इस लाइन में कैसे आई?
क्या हुआ कि मेरी रेपुटेशन बहुत ख़राब थी। आई यूज्ड टू गो टू अ मूवी विथ अ न्यू बॉयफ्रेंड एवरी डे। दे वर ऑल माय कजिन ब्रदर्स एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन फॉन्ड ऑफ मूवीज, सो एवरीबडी थॉट दैट शी इज अ फास्ट गर्ल, and then I was offered some films. At first I was offered to work on the stage with Jyotsnabai Bhole and Anant Kanekar. But my mama, Nalini Jayawant's father, he said, if you go on the stage, I'll pull you out. मैंने कहा एक तमाशा इधर और दूसरा तमाशा उधर नहीं चाहिए. So I gave up the idea of getting into films.
Okay.
Then offers kept on coming.
Okay.
And Baburao Pendarkar came. And offered me a picture in Kolhapur. In the meanwhile, my would-be husband had returned from Germany, and my mama's problem was who's going to marry a banker's daughter if she joins films. So by that time my father was dead, so I was his responsibility, and he said nobody will marry you if you get into films. So in the meanwhile, Mr. Samarth had come back from Germany, and he's related to me. मेरी माँ के बुआ का लड़का है वो, तो वो आए देखने के लिए मुझे 3 दफ़े, thinking that he could take me on a date. In those days, dates were only taking to movies. Okay. And not even holding hands. So he came 3 times. 2 times I wasn't at home. In the meanwhile, my mother suggested, he said, बुआ का लड़का इतना जर्मनी से आया है और इतना हैंडसम है, तुम क्यों नहीं शादी करती उससे? तो मैंने कहा कि ये दिन नहीं है अरेंज मैरिज के. I said, I'm not going to marry a man you are going to suggest. I'll fall in love and get married.
आपके विचार उस वक्त भी, उस जमाने में भी इतने?
हाँ, उतने ही थे. My father never treated me like a girl, and I said, I'm not going to marry this. But third time when I saw him, I just didn't know what to say. What a handsome looking young man, and I knew him. Because as the kids we used to be together. He was so handsome, beautiful hair.
I believe you had a weakness for good looking men.
I always have, I still have, but I'm too old to have weakness for good looking men now. Okay. Anyway, so I asked him, I said, since you come from Germany, had learned direction in UFA Studios, I said, what do you think of joining films? If a woman joins films, what do you think? He said, what's wrong? I said, wrong is that nobody will marry me. He said, what's your problem? I'll marry you. So chat mangni pad bya, because I had already fallen for him. Okay. And Mama had already suggested. So the question of looking at his background didn't arrive because we knew the family.
I see. उसके बाद निगाहे नफरत के बाद आपने लगातार फिर फिल्में शुरू की?
Then I kept on. Then when I came back to Bombay, I made a movie for Sagar Movietone with Motilal, Kanhaiya Munshi's story, that was Do Diwane, made in Gujarati and Hindi. So that picture did very well. And I never looked back after that.
आपने अपने कैरियर में बहुत सारी mythological फिल्में की. You were a very beautiful woman.
That
You are still
was-
a beautiful woman.
Thank
but,
you.
You were exceptionally good looking. Why did you only choose mythological
I
films?
didn't choose. The film industry chooses.
Any particular reason for that?
This is what happened. I was known as an ultra modern, well-dressed heroine in those days.
जी.
And Vijay Bhatt had the guts to cast me in a small role as Sita in Bharat Milap with Durga Bai Khote. And that Sita's role was so much appreciated that they decided to make a sequel to it.
Okay.
So that is how they made Ramraj. And Ramraj broke records.
Didn't in your social life it made a difference that you had a bohemian way of living, but you were playing roles of Sita? And
No, but my living, bohemian living was not there after I got married. I got Nutan in 36 while I was making Sagar's
Ji.
movie.
जी.
And then I was a married lady with a baby, and 7 years I didn't have any child till I made Ramraj, and I was really pregnant in Ramraj, having Tanu in my stomach. So everybody said, you acted so well, you really look pregnant. I said, I was really pregnant. And Tanu says, she said, Mummy, I have not made a Jubilee film, but I have already made a Jubilee before I was born.
हम आगे और बातें करेंगे, लेकिन एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. आपने बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ काम किया इस दौर के अंदर. आपके फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स और को स्टार कौन रहे?
को स्टार तो मेरे फेवरेट को स्टार तो थे मोतीलाल, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन ऑल्सो. एंड Premadeep was cast with me because we were successful pair. Otherwise, I don't have any favorites or anything. Where was the choice in those days? You know, there was no competition.
जी.
We were treated like more than what the stars are treated. हाजी हाजी हमारे करते थे because we came from a high society. If I didn't like anything, I start crying. They said, नहीं रोना नहीं, we'll do what you want to do. You know, they really.
You were pampered.
Very much pampered. Durga Bai and myself.
ये उन दिनों की बात है जब उसकी पहली पिक्चर विलासी ईश्वर रिलीज़ हो चुकी थी और लोग कुछ कुछ जानने लग गए थे. तो ये प्रकाश स्टूडियो की तरफ जा रही थी, तो मेरी गाड़ी भी उसके पीछे लगी हुई थी. मैं भी प्रकाश स्टूडियो विजय भट्ट के साथ 7, 8, 9, 10 पिक्चरें की हैं. इसने भी 12-15 पिक्चरें की हैं. तो हम वहाँ जाया करते थे. मेरी टैक्सी इसके पीछे पीछे जा रही थी, तो एकदम बारिश आ गई. आगे का रेलवे फट्टा जो था वो गेट वो बंद था और ये गाड़ी खड़ी हो गई. एक बूढ़ा आदमी बेचारा अटकता अटकता बारिश में कभी इधर गिरे कभी उधर गिरे. तो ये झट गाड़ी से उतरी. मैं हैरान हो गया. तो क्या देखता हूँ, उसका हाथ पकड़कर ये उस बूढ़े को साथ लेके दूसरी तरफ ले गई और कुछ इधर उधर से पैसे निकाल के उसके हाथ में दिए. तो मैंने देखा कमाल है, ये औरत है क्या है.
एक और बात कही जाती है आपके बारे में कि जब आप आई थी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में तो आपको हिंदी और उर्दू नहीं आती थी.
वो टूटी फूटी उर्दू हिंदी आती थी, गाड़ी वाला गाड़ी खड़ा करो ऐसा लाइक. बट आई मस्ट टेल यू अबाउट माई डायलॉग इन उर्दू. उर्दू में तो काफ़ी अभी भी समझ में नहीं आता है. मेरे डायलॉग राइटर काश्यप थे, उन्होंने डायलॉग लिख के दिए और 2 लफ्ज़ दिए हैं विलन के साथ कि पूरा डायलॉग बोला. उसके बाद अगर जल्लाद मक्कार अगर नहीं बोल सके तो एक ही लफ्ज़ बोलो. तो मैंने पूरा डायलॉग बोला, जल्लाद मक्कार अगर नहीं बोल सके तो एक ही लफ्ज़ बोलो. एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज इन फिट्स ऑफ लाफ्टर. मैंने कहा आप लोग हंस क्यों दे. मैडम ये इन दैट टाइम आई वाज कॉल्ड सरोजताई. ऐसा नहीं था, मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिखा था जल्लाद नहीं बोल सके तो मक्कार बोल सको, अगर दोनों लफ्ज़ एक लफ्ज़ नहीं बोल सके तो दोनों तो मैंने पूरा बोल दिया.
आपने मोतीलाल जी के बारे में बात की. कहा जाता है कि मोतीलाल जी आपके बहुत नज़दीक रहे.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा नज़दीक रहे हैं बिकॉज you see, we had a very peculiar relationship.
जी.
Out of 365 days, we used to fight 360 days.
Okay, that's
and
lovely.
He had to drink because we made up. He had to drink because we had a fight. He had to drink because we were happy.
Okay.
And the most romantic thing was that I told him I'm not going to stay here and I'm going to Lonavala. That time I had a house so he had a flying license. So he took a plane and flew and threw stones down with the chit. I love you.
Oh, how beautiful.
I said that was done afterwards in the movies later on, you know.
जी जी
But our relationship was really wonderful.
जी उनकी पर्सनालिटी का कुछ के बारे में कुछ खास आपको कुछ चीज
इसी खास उनकी चीज ये थी कि he resembled my father very much.
I see.
He's the way his principles were, the way he talked, the way he walked, the way he wore his hat, and everything was so much like my father. That is probably my subconscious mind that attracted me towards him.
आपकी जिंदगी का ऐसा क्या कौन सा मोड़ था जिस मोड़ के बाद आप इतनी ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंची?
Film industry में how have you reached the top has no answer.
जी.
Like Kajal went to accompanied other cousins to Gautam's place for their photographs.
जी.
And Kajal was picked up to work in films. So कोई मोड़ नहीं रहता है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में.
आपकी आज 4th जनरेशन आज फिल्मों में काम कर रही है. आपकी 2 लड़कियां बहुत सफल अभिनेत्री भी रही हैं. How was your relationship with your children?
With my children and grandchildren, I have no generation gap. We discuss everything. But you know, today I am satisfied because I am not jealous of other artists. What I couldn't get, my children have given me. Like I never worked in color films. I never got any awards. That was, industry was very raw that time. Yeah. I got one award from one Caravan magazine for the best actress, only on the paper. But there was no showing like this. But whatever, you see, if Nutan and Tanu and Kajal were not there, I would have been a different person. मुझे दुख होता ना देख के इंडस्ट्री को, देखो इतनी इंडस्ट्री आगे गई है, हमारा कोई भी नहीं है उसमें.
तो आप प्राउड महसूस करते हैं?
I feel very very thankful, not proud, but I feel thankful to God that God has given me such talented children.
आपकी दोनों बेटियां बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस रहीं. दोनों की अपने अलग अलग जगहें थी, नूतन और तनुजा. लेकिन आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी है एज एन एक्ट्रेस?
मेरी फेवरेट I can't say, because you see it's like I've got 7 granddaughters and it's like a rainbow. So in the rainbow you can't say one which is a favorite color. So for the mother to say that this child is more favorite, because Nutan was an artist she developed herself, whereas Tanu was born actress. Even when as a child she was, even today when you talk to her she is acting. Acting means she's
very spontaneous.
Yeah, very spontaneous.
My first impression was that she's sitting in front of her dressing table और वो मेकअप कर रही हैं, अपने बाल बना रही हैं, और मैं हमेशा देख के कहती थी माय क्या खूबसूरत औरत है. ये पहले मैंने सोचा, और ज़्यादातर ऐसे नहीं फीलिंग हुई कि ये मेरी माँ है. ऐसे लगता था ये कोई देवी है. वो अपने टिपिकल वो सीता के कॉस्ट्यूम में मेकअप करती थी, वो जूड़ा और वो गहने और वो फूल वूल लगा के. तो इट वॉज़न्ट रियली लाइक इट वॉज माई मदर. इट वॉज लाइक शी वॉज अ काइंड ऑफ अ गॉडेस. तो उनकी ज़्यादती ज़िंदगी में हमारा कोई हिस्सा नहीं था बेसिकली. शी डिड वॉट शी फेल्ट लाइक डूइंग एंड वी वर जस्ट चिल्ड्रन, और वो हमारी माँ थी. तो लेकिन उन्होंने ये हमें ज़रूर सिखाया कि कभी ज़िंदगी में डर के नहीं रहना. जो कुछ तुम करना चाहते हो करो, लेकिन ये सोच के करो कि इनके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या होंगे, इनका नतीजा क्या होगा, और उस नतीजे के साथ साथ ये भी सोचना होगा कि अगर तुमने गलती की है वो तुम वो मानो, उस गलती से सीखो और आगे बढ़ो.
And how do you relate to your son and your other daughter Chatura?
Today I am very close to Chatura.
I think she's the most adjustable, warm, understanding, and with the times, you know. She's not somewhere in the back ages, and she supports us no matter what, how right, wrong. She doesn't look to that. She looks to us to see where we are, and then she is with us where we are. And there is nothing that, that will faze her. no matter how bad it is, she'll say, okay, darling, we'll go on from here, whatever it may be. And her aim has always been to have us as a family together. Of course, being sisters, brothers, we're bound to have a few problems and quarrels, but her main intent, and I find that she has absolutely no ego. She is ready to say sorry to me, to the servants, to anybody if it is her fault, and even if it's not her fault. If she thinks it can make peace, she will say the sorry and be done with it. And I think we can all learn great lessons from her, which I'm trying to learn.
शोभना जी, आपने अभी अपनी दोनों लड़कियों का जिक्र किया। नूतन जी की अनफॉर्चुनेट डेथ के बाद हैज लाइफ चेंज फॉर यू?
For me, yes, it has changed a lot. And now no loss is big enough for me. Like before her death, I used to get irritated. If something broke, my dog died or anything. Now no loss is big enough for me. So she has, and before she died, she took me to lots of satsangs, and she was evolved herself, and she gave me a Gita, and the first chapter she told me to read was on death. So as if she was preparing me to accept her death. And after her death, I had a very bad temper. I was a very nasty woman. I used to hate some people at the first sight. You may imagine anything that is bad was in me. But
I see.
But with her company, I have become so not tolerant, but nothing irritates me anymore. Nothing worries me anymore. She told me, Mommy, nothing belongs to you. Why are you worrying about this thing? And she used to take me to satsangs.
जी.
And she gave me so much strength to survive. Any other time, if she had died 10 years back, I would have committed suicide. But she gave me so much strength, and after seeing her suffer, my suffering is nothing.
आपने जितना बड़ा लंबा जीवन फिल्मों में गुजारा, आप सोचते हैं वो बड़ा फ्रूटफुल रहा?
I'm more than satisfied because complaint is a poverty.
जी.
Gratitude is riches, and I have nothing to complain. I am blessed with so many. I have to see what blessings I have. I am blessed with lovely children, lovely grandchildren, and my rapport and my relationship with my children is good. That's very important.
How's your relation with Kajal?
Fantastic. She comes and sits, puts her feet across my stomach. She says, what do you think of my boyfriend? I says, look, Kajal, don't ask me what I think of your boyfriend. I have not done a great thing by choosing a husband for Nutan. So you better look after yourself. If he makes you happy, it makes me happy. I said, I have nothing, and I can't pass a judgment on somebody.
जी.
Because my experience with you may be different, Tanu's experience may be different. So you are different two people, with different two people. So I said, I can't give a judgment. But you like him, no? I said, yes, I like everybody. I don't hate anybody.
आपने उस जमाने की फिल्में भी देखी हैं, वो दौर भी देखा है। आज के दौर के बारे में आपका क्या विचार है?
आज का टेक्निक बहुत अच्छा है
जी।
आज के इमोशनल है। And every picture you see, there are 100 background dancers and one woman dancing in front, and that becomes very boring at times. When I did Sita, I had only one patta here, my belly button was showing, my back was showing, but nobody looked at me like that because the presentation was in different style. अभी तो exploitation है, कितनी दफे आदमी देखेगा? Striptease कितनी दफे देखेगा? But unless there is emotion, if you touch a human emotion, it works better than if you expose sex. That's what my idea is. You know that you see the graph of the pictures. Wherever there are emotional touches, those pictures have done better than only sex, exposure of sex.
जी। आप आने वाली generations के लिए क्या advice देंगी? For example, Kajal भी आप
I always tell my children, I said, wherever you go, however high you go in life, don't try to digest your success. हम लोगों का liver बड़ा जल्दी खराब हो जाता है. We die of liver trouble Die means in the sense in the industry, either they drink too much and die, or they can't digest their success and they die. You know, you have to digest your success first.
जी
And to digest the success is a very difficult thing. To remain humble, you may be anything, but you must remain humble. किसी के तलवे नहीं चाटना है, लेकिन फिर भी किसी को क्यों दुख दो? Why be arrogant?
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शोभना जी, आप हमारे पास आए।
Thank you very
और आपने
much.
इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें की।
Thank
मैं
you.
अपनी
Nice
तरफ से
talking.
आपका धन्यवाद दूँ।
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
आज हमने आपकी मुलाकात कराई अपने समय की प्रसिद्ध फिल्म अभिनेत्री शोभना सामर्थ से।